Hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I am a man aged 46 years old, married to my wife who is 32 years. It's my second marriage and her first. We've been together for 3 years and were recently blessed with a beautiful baby boy. After giving birth, my ambuya came Kumba to help her nurse the baby and also assist with her recovery. We have a maid, Anoya Achienda. But when Mama came, I noticed the house was always clean, way better than the usual. She started training our maid how to wash clothes, iron, clean, and even how to take care of our little baby. I promise you, it was the most refreshing thing coming home to a hot, delicious meal, yabikwa na mama. And I'm talking the traditional, healthy, delicious food. Days went by and my wife had to go back to work, so Mama left and went back to farm, trusting that the maid can take care of the house and the baby after all the training. I don't want to lie. After Mama went, it was a complete disaster, coming home to a dirty house. Mwanane ngachinua marutse, and my wife loves to cook English dishes. You see, she insists on cooking these dishes, saying diwo aanogona. Ndakambotaura naye kuti mama vamudzidzise kubika traditional meals. But iye anoti zvamunoda ana maguru, matumbu, mazondo, zvinondimisa moyo zvokutoda kurutsa chaiko. Zvakaoma KVG Nasaki. I don't think I was asking for much, just to strike a balance between the English meals and traditional. So I was talking to my twin sister, explaining to her how I miss my ambuya around the house. Sevano vanobatirana my phone. Last week my wife answered a call from the office Ndichigeza and ended up in my WhatsApp after a message from my sister popped. Achibvunza if I had spoken to my wife about bringing Mama back to help. She read the messages that I shared with my sister, expressing my displeasure in how Ian and maid take care of the house and baby. And she was upset. I had jokingly said, Dai mama ndakavaona before mwana wao ndaivarora hangu. And I put a laughing emoji. Honestly, it was a joke shared between siblings that ended up being taken the wrong way. My wife called me all sorts of names and accused me of being attracted to her mother. She stopped cooking and said, Auntie Swandinobika azinaki. I tried to talk her out of it, apologized and all, but she wasn't having it. What made the situation worse was how Mom is 50 years old and still looks good. She said to me, Auntie Murima age mates. Chitora nai inini ndoita mwana wako. It was just a dramatic exchange of emotions and words that were unnecessary. So I decided to let her be. Kubika akaramwa ndautokwanisa week ndichitenga takeaway. I don't intend to find a mediator to help us with this issue because zvinganyadzise ini kugara dare ndichitongeswa mashoko andakataura. Was I wrong there, Dare, especially knowing that she read messages from the phone that weren't meant for her eyes to see? Please help. Your topic.
Oh, man, you're strong. Thank you, Manu. Imikaimi. Those are kuitika mudzimba izvi. Man. Okay. Ringaitsinzwe kanimi kuti toita sei naive Dare. Mainzwa nawe. I think murume akaenda a bit overboard. I think just, complimenting, appreciating mabatiro aita mama pavakauya vachibatsira mwana wanga pona mwana kwazvazoenda kwacho hakusiriko. As also, let's look at the age difference. Ndopane nyaya ipapo, and I think that's where I think the wife ndopari kumubata ipapo kuti vanava havanotonyanyosiyana makore zvekudaro
murume wake
namai vake ndozvakamubata vakatosiyana. But ari kubvunza kuti ndakakanganisa here kuti, and also nyaya dzekubatiranawo mafoni unenge wati waita chinhu chakanaka kuti hapana privacy between inini nemudzimai wangu. But I think pana maconversations atinoita mukuseka ekuti umwe munhu anogona kusamatora zvakanaka. And I think that's what happened here.
Ekuti hautombofaniri kumaona. And I think ndozvakaitika apa. And I think the wife is also being dramatic, a bit much. But the joke is also
Yeah.
a bit much
Yes.
as well.
Yeah.
Anzi, hi Saki, hi KVG, atsano wakabaiza apa, it will cost him. And another message here says, ukachaga makudo mugomo, makomo no awana, stop snooping in phones. Apologize with a big gift. Yeah.
Because vanotobatsirana mafoni like zvaatotaura kuti mafoni tinotobatsirana.
Yes.
Akatoansa call zvaanobvumidzwa nemurume wake but pakazopopa message yaitaura nezvake ndo yaakazovhura. Yeah.
Yes, Anzi, how old is the husband? The husband is 49. 46.
Tangidzai pamaverenga ndaunonge mati.
46.
46. Savane 4 years difference. My makakura ne 4 years.
Yes, and then the wife is 32 years old. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Tichavhura nhare tinzwa kuti dare redu riri kuti iye ari kuti I don't want to look for a mediator. Mamiriro azvakaita izvinezvi mudzimai haasi kubika. The guy is saying I don't want anyone to then, be a go between panyaya iyi because zvinonyadzisa kuti nditongeswe nemashoko andakataura ekuti dai ambuya vanga vari ndakatanga kuvaona before mwana ndaivarora. Maswera sei?
Hello.
Hi dear, waswera sei?
Maswera sei.
Aiwa, taswera zvakanaka. Talk to me, unoionawo sei nhau yataunzirwa nababa?
Ndoona unge mama vakudzidzisawo nekuti it was a joke between my siblings, of which my siblings they joke. Yeah, saka ndikutoona unge vakutozoenda kuma extreme. So I think the husband should find a mediator. Plus, hamusi kupaona here kuti